What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. How's everyone doing today? Um, Today the markets are still pretty slow. We're gonna get into that when we get more details into the video. Crypto is still holding pretty steady. Well, mainly Bitcoin because that is the driver of crypto, right? At least for all I know, for the positions I'm holding, Bitcoin is the driver, and it's still very slow price action right now, sitting at about 29 point, almost 29.3 almost. It did get a rejection at about that 29.4 K level, which I would talk about on the charts right now. So before we get started, make sure if you guys do like free stuff, do check out my referral link in the description below, which is a Webull referral link. So I have used Webull before, and I think they're a great starter exchange for both crypto and stocks in the US. And they're still giving away 6 to 12 fractional shares. If you guys open up an account and deposit 100 US dollars. Terms and conditions do apply, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. So that'll be great, right? Otherwise, I'm not sure what exchanges you guys are using. I'm using MEXC, I'm using KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance. But I did really enjoy Webull as a starter, crypto trading app, as well as some stocks as well. Of course, I wouldn't leave too much money on any of these exchanges. I will spread my money around given what has happened with crypto lately. So something to be watching out for. But if you guys are interested in some free stock shares, if you guys are going to trade anyways, do use my referral link below. Now, what do you guys think about the market today? Very slow moving. Like I said, I think if Bitcoin actually gets above that 32K level, there could be some serious upside, but that's just my opinion, not financial advice, right? So, and I could be completely wrong, right? Let's dive right into the charts and see what's going on today. All right. So currently here we do have the Bitcoin chart pulled up. Currently I am using Zoom for this recording, which is something new. I've been using TradingView for recording. Not as great because I can't expand the self camera window, and with Zoom I can. Let me know which one do you guys like better, right? So I still use TradingView as a charting software, and it's great. If you guys don't have TradingView yet, definitely do recommend it. I do have a referral link down below. I've been using TradingView for my entire time trading, so I don't think I can do it without it, right? So that's something I'm doing. Now, currently, let's take a look into the Bitcoin hourly chart, right? I think it's better if we start off with the higher time frames. So currently we're on a daily time frame, which I think will be the main focus right now because we did have a falling wedge breakout, right? What it seems to be a falling wedge breakout, as long as it does not fall back into the pattern. If it does fall back into the pattern, that's I would probably think there's going to be a lot more downside coming up because we are at some major moving averages already, which includes the 3-day 21 MA. That was at about 29,000, right? Which is the blue line here. We also do have the weekly 21 MA, which is the blue line here on the weekly time frame. That was at about 28.6. So if price action does break these moving averages, that would not look good in the short term, right? And then I'll be looking at the weekly 200 MA as support, which is at about 27.2 right now. It is slowly coming up. We have the 3-day moving averages, where the 50 just crossed over the 200, the gray and the orange line. Lagging indicators, I don't pay too much attention to it. I mean, I guess we could look into history at what has happened to the price action in the longer run once these moving averages have crossed, but I don't really pay too much attention to that. I really just pay attention to the trading pattern as well as the moving averages. That is my main trading strategy, right? So I do have a few leverage positions opened, which involves Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as some smaller altcoins in both KuCoin and Coinbase, right? I'm gonna stop using KuCoin because they had their KYC implemented last month, right? So gonna start slowly getting out of KuCoin. Let me know what exchanges you guys are using and how you guys are liking it. Because I'm definitely open into checking out other exchanges. Otherwise, I am testing with MEXC, for leverage positions and smaller altcoins I can get from Coinbase or Binance US. So that is something I'm really looking into for leverage positions, as well as smaller altcoins to replace KuCoin, because I thought KuCoin was really cool until they had to implement their KYC, right? And something I've been noticing with KuCoin is they have very short notice for delisting projects. And I think that's just too much of a rush to delist projects and for users to get their to close their positions. Like, you don't even get a you don't even get a conversion of the delisting of the projects back into USDT, but they just take your money, from my understanding, right? And it's very short notice, so I don't really like that. But I'm always open to just new exchanges. And right now I'm trying out MEXC, so I'll let you guys know how it goes, right? Now let's get back into the chart here, right? We have Bitcoin currently trying to stay above this falling wedge pattern, which is apparent from the 3-day time frame down. If we actually go down to the lower time frames here, which I'm even looking at the hourly at this point, because earlier today we did have a double bottom here, which is right above that upper trend line of that falling wedge pattern we broke out of, right? So if we can stay above this, it seems like the next level I'll be looking out for would be that 32K level, which it looks like yesterday I did mention it looked more like an inverse head and shoulders, but I think it's probably more like a cup and handle pattern here, with the neckline to be at about 32K. So if we get a weekly candle close above 32K, that would be a pretty good sign, right? And of course, holding that level, that is a given, right? We not only have to break above a level, but holding us that certain level that we broke out of. So if we actually break out of 32K here, and if this is a cup and handle pattern, the measured target here is at almost 50K, right? Now, we did break out of this bigger falling wedge pattern, which happened quite some time ago, right? We broke out of this bigger falling wedge pattern, which was basically the entire year last year, that bear market, right? We broke out of this on about October. So we broke out of that. The measured move from that was about 55K. And then we broke out, and now we have formed this cup and handle pattern. And we're looking for, in my opinion, this is like a sub pattern of that breakout. And the measure move here is about 50K. Of course, the measure move may or may not be reached. It might take long to be reached. and there's gonna be quite a bit of twists and turns between the breakout and the measure target if it's reached, right? Nothing is absolute in this market. So that's why I will be taking profits at certain levels. I'm not counting on my entire portfolio reaching that target, right? I think that'd be pretty crazy. So that's something I'm looking at. I am leveraged with Bitcoin long right now. So of course, then this is mainly the chart I'm gonna be focusing on. I do have some Ethereum altcoins, like I said, but I think it's Bitcoin that really is the driver right now. So yeah, that's basically it for this update. Let me know what you guys want to hear. What positions you guys are holding down in the comments below. I'll be open to looking into some of those coins in terms of charts. If we do have enough of an audience who wants to see these coins, right? Excuse me for the construction in the background. So yeah, that wraps it up for this update. I hope you guys found something good out of this. Subscribe, like, see you guys next time.